Last month, reliable tipster Ice Universe claimed Samsung will adopt a flat design with its Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus, and the claims have been corroborated by leakers on leaks, who, in partner with SmartPix, has shared S24 renders revealing its design. Like the S23, the Galaxy S24 will have a flat back, but it's a departure from the S23 curved frame since it has an iPhone-like flat frame, which could make the smartphone less comfortable to hold for some. You can also notice the LED on the rear is now placed between the first and second camera, not next to the first camera like the S23. The button placement is also the same since the power button and volume rocker will remain on the right frame, but a UWB antenna now joins them. At the bottom is the USB Type-C port, flanked by a SIM card slot, microphone, and speaker. The dimensions is 6.1-inch screen, but it is 7.6 mm thick with 147 into 70.5 size. Vendors of the A15 reveal it will have flat frame, so more Samsung phones will adopt the flat frame. Circling back to the S24, it is rumored to be launching on January 18th next year, 1 month earlier, because they want to combat the massive success of the iPhone 15 series so far.